Kashmir Day. Kashmir is called heaven on earth. Kashmir is an integral part of Pakistan. It is located mostly in the Himalayan mountains. Kashmir is famous for its breath landscapes. The Mughal ruled Jahangir had addressed Kashmir as the land fairies. The beautiful and fragrant flowers of Gulmarg adding its beauty. The land of Kashmir is very large. Apple production is very high here. If there is heaven anywhere on earth, it is Kashmir. The Pashmina shawl of Kashmir is very famous all over the world. The people of Kashmir are very gentle and soft spoken. Without resolving Kashmir issue, dispute, lasting peace cannot be maintained in the region. Kashmir are not alone in their struggle for freedom. Every Pakistani is with them.